Peace and love, everybody. This is Colo. Got another video for you. We got the Yeezy foam runner. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Just so you know, this is for educational purposes only. I buy all my sneakers. This isn't an ad and it's not sponsored, so let's jump right into this. So the Yeezy foam runner is what they're calling it. Is not out from the making of this video. And they're supposed to be coming out within the next couple of months. They're supposed to be $75. When I first saw them, I was like, whoa, they're pretty polarizing. And believe it or not, there's not a lot of videos or a whole lot of information about them. They just got roasted on like Twitter and Instagram when Kanye first released them, like all of his shoes. They did not come with a box. I got this pair from Hype Mariner. Yes, I went back to Hype Mariner because they're the only people that I could find that were selling these. And Hype Mariner is the same person that I bought the Travis 4s from that had a red marking on it. We're not going to go back to that. We're just going to move forward and start again. The foam runner was created by Steven Smith, this guy. And they said that the shoe or the clog or whatever you want to call them was going to be made from algae. Steve also went on to say that the brand looks to move forward with making shoes that are algae blended with EVA materials, which is the foam they always used.
The future of Yeezy, these were just made in Atlanta.
There's also a black pair, a red pair, and a white pair, but I chose the beige or tan or khaki, whatever you want to call this color. I just figured this was like the first prototype of it, so I went with it. Obviously, I don't have an Adidas made version to compare this with, so I can't point out any flaws or any inconsistencies. I'm not sure what this material is, but it's some type of rubbery foam that actually doesn't feel too bad on the foot. There's no boost, but it feels good. Not boost-like, but it feels good. To me, these are following the trend of the Yeezy Alien and the 700 V3 sneaker. They just keep going with this weird alien type of sleek pattern, which I kind of like it. It's not too crazy. The inside is made out of the same outer, so you're getting the same material all around. So it's pretty unique. It's really unique. Again, this is a men's size 10. I think they fit true to size, depending on if you wear socks with these or not. There's some Adidas branding on the heel there. The bottom has this wavy pattern, which grips the floor pretty good. And if you look towards the top of the tip of the shoe, there's some kind of weird little circle right there. I don't know what that is. They had a weird smell to them. Not a bad smell, but just whatever they made these out of, that smell was pretty heavy. And this is where boost would normally be, like on the 700 V3s and the 700s, but not present here. Here is the 700 V3. They both have that Adidas branding on the heel, very close to the same area. They are similar in shape, sort of, kind of. And the bottoms, here they go. Like the whole shape of the bottom of the shoe was pretty similar, and it's not the same pattern as well, but you guys see what I'm talking about. It's close. To me, they look like an alien would be more than happy to wear these over a pair of Jordan 1s. So here is the on feet section, and I'm not sure. Tell me what you guys think. I couldn't really figure out what to wear with these, so I just threw on some pants and threw on some black Adidas socks, and I just kind of went with them. Again, they're pretty comfortable. It does feel like the right shoe is a little bit more tighter than the left shoe. I don't know if it's the sock. It just kind of feels that way. I was wearing like a Nike crew cut sock earlier today, and my heel kept slipping out of both of them, feeling like more like a sandal as opposed to a shoe. And I've never wore Crocs, so I don't know how a Croc feels compared to this. I don't know if you're supposed to call this a sandal, a sneaker. I don't know what it is. It's made out of algae, for Christ's sake. As far as how to style these things, I'm not 100% sure. I've seen people wear baggy pants with them, weird jogging type pants with them. So I just figured a low cut shoe like this would look good with a skinny jean. So I just went with it. You guys got to be the judge on this one. in the comments. Tell me what you think. Would you wear them? Would you not wear them? Do they look a little too crazy for you to wear? Are they perfect for you to wear? If you're like a minimalist, this would be perfect for that. If you're just like walking around the house, I mean, they'd probably be good for anything if you're not really conscious about people saying, what are those on your feet? You know, I'm not. But seriously though, let me know, guys. Let me know what you think. If you hate them, if you love them, it's not going to hurt my feelings. I didn't design them. Steve and Kanye did. But I mean, I think they're dope. I ain't gonna lie. When I first saw them, I was like, okay. But I figured it'd be good for you guys to get a little education on these crazy Yeezy foam runners in a US men's size 10. I kind of want a black pair now, but I might hold off till they're officially released, try my luck at a retail pair and see what happens. But I might grab another one from Hype Mariner. Shout out to Hype Mariner again for making this right. Wasn't too pleased with the last sneaker, so Hype Mariner Pulp sneaker, if you're watching this, reach out to me. Let me know what you think. I mean, I never heard back from him about the Travis Scott, so you know, we'll just keep moving forward. But anyway, guys, I'm not going to keep you. I know I usually make a 10-minute video. This one's kind of short for me, but again, make sure you guys are happy, healthy, hydrated. Much love. Keep creating. Stay safe. Keep your loved ones very close to you. Check out Hype Mariner. You know, and wear your kicks, man. Love you guys. Peace out.